Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called InboxDollars, and you're wondering, hey, can you actually make money from this website? What do you need to do? How much money can you really make? And all the details behind it, right? And is it worth your time? All right, so we're gonna review InboxDollars today, see if it's worth your time and how much money you can earn, and then I'm gonna give you an even better way to make money towards the end of the video. So make sure you stick around, all right? So InboxDollars is what's known as a GPT, get paid to click. Get paid to earn type of website, right? It's been around for a very long time. It's one of the kind of 600-pound gorillas of the GPT PTC style websites, where you basically go in there and there's a whole bunch of different ways to earn money, and we'll talk about that in a second. And they actually pay out regularly and pretty well, so their reviews are pretty high, their rankings are pretty high. But let's talk about how much you can really earn. Okay, now InboxDollars unfortunately currently is only available in the US, so if you're based outside of the States, you can't sign up for a free account at the time of recording this video. They might change that in the future, but it's pretty easy if you're based in the States to be able to sign up here. You will literally just come in and put in your email address, your password, confirm your password, sign you up, and they give you a free $5 bonus, which is pretty cool, right? Now, once you sign up, you have to take a 30-question survey. That's going to take about 10 minutes. They ask you all about yourself, your name, your details, your location in the States, your background, your interests, what you like to do, your demographic. They just want to kind of get an idea of who you are and your background so that they can match you with the right surveys and the right offers, okay? So once you've done that, they'll give you an extra 50 cents. So now you've got $5.50 in your account, but you can't withdraw the money yet. Okay, so the threshold for InboxDollars is $15, 15. That means you must get more than $15 or up to $15 before you can withdraw your money, and you can withdraw your money through PayPal or through gift cards like Amazon and Target, okay, which is pretty cool, and Starbucks as well, which is not bad. All right, $15 is pretty high as a threshold, though. There are a lot of other PTC and GPT style websites where the threshold is only $5, so it's easier for you to get to your threshold, because $15 is quite high. All right. So basically, you have to make up $10 extra, because you got the $5.50 when you first sign up. You need to make $9.50 or $10 in order for you to hit the threshold for you to withdraw your money. All right. So the question is how do you then get that money, right? Well, there are a few main ways. Okay, you can watch videos, video ads. You can take surveys, and you can basically shop for cashback and actually download cash offers. So let's talk about these three and how much you can really make. That's the big question, right? This is a free website and it's a very low skill way of making money online, but is it really worth your time? That's the question, okay? So watching videos, literally you're just on there watching video ads, okay? So I'm just, there's a video here, you can check it out. I mean, again, InboxDollars has been around for a very, very long time. So they give you quite a lot of details here on how much you can earn. And they've got pretty good reviews there, and these are the partners and stuff like that. But let me explain how it really works, okay? And this is really important. So watching videos, you can literally sit there and watch tons of video ads. Every video ad is roughly between 15-20 seconds and maybe 30-35 seconds long, okay? Now for every ad that you watch, you will earn less than 1 cent for that ad. So you're probably gonna have to watch about 4 to 5 ads in total to make 1 cent. All right, now that doesn't sound like a lot, but trust me, it does take a little bit of time for you to get through 4 or 5 ads. All right, so for you to click on an ad, for you to watch that ad, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, maybe a little bit longer, it will take you a while to watch 5 or more ads for it to add up to 1 cent. Right? So in order for you to get more than a cent, for you to get maybe $1, think about that. You've got to take 500 actions. That means you have to watch roughly about 500 ads before you can make $1. Now, is that possible in a day? Yes, it's possible in a day, but that's 500 ads you have to watch. That's quite a lot of ads, okay, for you to earn $1. So the per hour rate that you're making just on the watching videos section is very, very low. All right, it's way less than $1 per hour that you're earning. Okay, because you can't watch 500 ads in an hour. It's going to take you a little bit longer than that. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, you could maybe get through 500 ads, right? So it's free, but your per hour rate is very, very low. It's less than $1. Now, taking surveys, you can make a bit more money. Okay, with the taking surveys here, they're basically like a survey aggregate, right? So they're gonna forward you to other survey companies, and for the surveys, you can earn anywhere from 25 cents to maybe $2 to $3 per survey that you take. That's not bad. Okay, the only problem is with a lot of the survey sites that you sign up for, you can't sit there and fill out 100 surveys a day, because that's not how it works. How it works is they're an aggregate company for survey companies, right? So for every survey company that you fill out, which you have to register for and all that stuff, it takes time. They will only send you maybe one survey per week, or maybe a couple of surveys per week at most. All right. Now there are some other survey websites outside of InboxDollars where you can fill out more than one survey a day, but for the most part, most survey websites will only send you 1 or 2 surveys per week, sometimes less than that, one survey every 2 or 3 weeks, based on your demographic. So you can't fill out every single survey because it depends on who you are and where you live and that sort of thing. Okay. Now let's just say you do successfully get to fill out a survey. You will make, again, anywhere from 25 cents to $2 to $3 per survey. So that's not bad, but again, you can't fill out a ton of surveys, so you're not able to collect that much money per day per survey. Does that make sense, right? So you might be able to fill out, maybe one survey a day if you're lucky. So you've got the videos, you've got the survey now, you're starting to add up a little bit of money, and then you've got the shopping cashback offers, right? And then you've got the offers that you can actually download. Now here's the problem with the downloading of the offers, okay? Some offers will pay you like $10 or $20, some even $50. But the problem with a lot of these offers is that they make you jump through a lot of hoops in order for you to get that money. And most of the time these offers require you to spend money before you can make money back. Okay, that's how they kind of trick you, all right? So yes, you can make $20, but they expect you to spend $10. Does that make sense? Or they expect you to spend $30 in order for you to get the $20, because they're trying to get you into their deal. So you can make money on cash offers or downloading offers, but there's a lot of gray area and it requires you to enter your credit card details and spend money on that. Okay, so again, not a great way to make money. So in total, how much money can you really make if you spend a few hours a day on InboxDollars? Well, on average, you will get roughly about $1 to $2 per day. Okay, so it is possible per month, if you're spending a few hours a day on InboxDollars, to make roughly about $15, $30, maybe $60 a month, right? So you're not going to get rich. It's not designed to get you rich. They're not saying that you're going to get rich. All they're saying is, look, if you have a bit of extra time and you don't mind, hanging out on our website, watching some video ads, taking some surveys, and getting some cashback offers and downloading some offers, you can make a little bit of money. All right, remember that this is a low income skill set. That means you don't need any skills to come onto InboxDollars. You sign up for a free account and you just watch ads, you fill out some surveys, you download some offers, and you make a little bit of money, okay? But if you actually really think about it, for the amount of time that you're spending on this website, and there are many websites like InboxDollars. This is just one of hundreds, okay, of GPT, PTC style websites where you don't need any skills. You literally just come here, you play. Oh, there are some games as well, by the way. You can play games, and the games that you play, roughly you will make about 4 cents per hour. Okay, so if you're playing a game for an hour, you will make 4 cents. Now that is just crazy. That means you're making 4 cents an hour. Now it's free and you're playing a game, which is great, but you're making very, very little money. All right. So remember, this is not life-changing income. It's better than nothing, but it's not life-changing income. You can't retire. You can't travel the world. You can't, pay money. Take care of your parents. You can't do anything. You can't retire. You can't do anything like that. All right. So this is small money for actually a lot of time that you're spending on this website. Okay, so it's not bad. It's a great site. They've got very high ratings. You can definitely withdraw the money. There's no issues with that at all. It's not a fake site. So it's a real reward site, right? It's a real PTC, GPT style site, but you're not going to make that much money and you're not going to get rich with this site ever. It's not designed for that, all right? So if you're okay with that and you don't mind spending, 2-3 hours a day on a website like this to eventually make maybe $15, $30, maybe $60 at most a month, then InboxDollars is 100% legitimate, all right? But if you're here and you're like, well, Aaron, I've got 2 to 3 hours a day and I would rather learn a high income skill set so I can make way more money than that. What kind of money are we talking about? We're talking about maybe $100 a day, $300 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day. I know that sounds like a lot of money, but that's what I teach people how to do online, right? So I've got thousands of students all over the world where I teach them how to sell real digital products on the internet. So look, I mean, if you've got 2-3 hours a day online, you may as well earn a real skill set, right? Learn to find a group of people that have a problem that they're trying to solve, right? And then you help them to solve that problem by connecting them with a real digital product. Now, when you connect them together, you make a commission, okay? And when you understand how to market online properly, you can literally make hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars a day doing it properly. But remember, this is a high income skill set. So with websites like this, with InboxDollars, right? And all websites like InboxDollars, this is, again, like I mentioned, it's a low income skill set. You don't need any skills to watch videos. You don't need any skills to take surveys. You don't need any skills to do a bit of shopping or download an offer, right? But in order for you to learn to market online, to sell real products to real people, that's a high income skill, which is why it pays so much more. So you're gonna have to put in more work, more time, more effort into learning how to do that. But for the long term, this can literally change your life. We're talking about big money, retirement money, travel the world kind of money, you know, quit your job kind of money, double, triple, you know, fifth-tuple your current salary type of money, okay? But again, it requires work, it requires effort. So it depends on who you are. So if you're someone who would prefer to do something like that, then you can jump on my free 6-figure workshop just by clicking the link below. Register right now, and I will show you exactly how I've been able to show thousands of students how to actually do that, how to quit their job, how to double, triple, quadruple their salary. I've been able to more than 5 times my old corporate salary, which I quit in 2019. Otherwise, you can check out InboxDollars, also a great way to make money online. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you on the workshop very soon. All the best to you.